Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. So in this video we will learn how to repeatedly spawn an enemy, because in our previous video we only spawned one enemy. So now we will make it so that every 5 seconds an enemy spawns. So let's get right into it. Let's go to our scripts and open up the spawn manager script. And as you can see, we already have written this code and we will reuse this code. But we will make a new method. So as you can see here, the void update, this thing here is a method. So let's like make a similar thing here. So void, always put void in front of your method name, and then a name. Let's call it spawn enemy, because what this method will do is it will spawn an enemy. All right, let's put this code in here, because this is the code that will spawn an enemy. Boom. So now if you see the spawn enemy method and you call it, it will run this code. But if you run the game right now, the code won't run, nothing will happen. So we need to call it first. So as you know, the void start gets called whenever the game starts. So maybe this would be a good place to write the codes. Let's do invoke. Invokes the method in time seconds. Okay. And invoke needs the name of a method. And so the name of the method is spawn enemy. So spawn enemy. Also make sure you have the capital letters correct, because C# can be quite angry if you don't use them. And then it needs an amount of time in seconds to wait before it calls this method. So when you write 5, it will wait 5 seconds, and then it will call this thing, this method. So let's for example write 5 and put an F, because it's a float value. Alright, let's run the game and let's see what happens. So nothing happens in the beginning, and boom, there's an enemy. So after 5 seconds an enemy spawns. But as you can see, nothing is happening right now. There's no more enemies coming. Well, I have just a trick for that. All we have to do is go here, invoke, and put repeating here. Invoke repeating. And then we need another comma. And now it needs a repeat rate. So what is the repeat rate, you ask? Well, the repeat rate is the amount of seconds it will wait before calling the method you put here in the apostrophes. Yeah, it will wait an amount of time and then it will call that method again. So let's for example write 2. Okay. Let's run the game and let's see what happens. So nothing happens for 5 seconds. And then an enemy spawns, boom. And then another spawns, and 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, boom. Every 3 seconds an enemy will spawn at a random position. And all it took was this line of code. And of course our new methods. I think this is the first time we made a method. Let me see here. Yeah, it is. Oh no, we made here the onCollision. That's also a method. But yeah, that's basically it. In the next video we will make the enemies despawn when they're out of range, because as you can see here, when we turn around in the scene, we can see the enemies, like, they go on forever and they will never despawn. So when you play for a very long amount of time, there will be a lot of balls in space here and they will never despawn and your game will start running slowly. so that's not what we want. We want them to despawn. So that's what we will do in the next video. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course comment if you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.